we did an assessment of the amount of passports that were being processed. And therefore, we ordered passports on the basis of that. Plus, in other words, I don't remember the exact figures right now, but if we were processing 500 per week, we would have ordered program for 700. So it was a significant amount in excess. As I have said before, we clearly miscalculated the amount that the amount of demand, and therefore the initial stock ran down far quicker. Now, it's not a store that you just go and buy the balance. We have to put in an order. We had orders programmed, so we had to bring some forward, which required them to stop printing the passport for some other country and put in ours and print some, send it to us so that we could continue.